Hi guys, welcome back to Melo Trade channel. I didn't stream on Thursday and Friday, so I didn't break down what happened to Bitcoin at that time. So this I'm streaming today because I want to know for myself too because it was I was away from the chart. Plus, I had a bad Thursday and bad Friday, and I did not look up at the chart. Um, I want to look at a chart according to the plan, according to trading rules, and we just gonna go and look up a New York trading session for Thursday and Friday, and just we following the rules to see what we could have done, or if we missed any opportunity, or if it was a loss or a win day according to the 3 minute order block strategy. So not a further ado, let's go back. I'm already backed up the chart to Thursday, 4th of December at 9:30. And right off the bat, let's go take a look at the 15-minute structure. So 15-minute structure, basically we have, what do we have? We have a high and we have a low, and then we created an SFP, and according to order flow, this SFP gonna lead us to this SFP, because this SFP, not this SFP, this um, low basically failed at its job to take out this high. So let's go see what happened, but basically that's the order flow. So expected, let me write it down. uh, ex expected to take down the low. All right, let's see if that SFP gonna expect to take down the low. So we're gonna mark out our uh, Fibonacci from the bottom to the top. Let's put in all the levels here, and we're gonna see. We go back to the 3 minute, and we go and come back and see what gonna happen. Um, we have this one right here. This is an order block before the low, and we have this order block was already taken. This order block was already taken, so we have this order block. It's already taken, so I don't have that. And we have this order block here. The demand from that order block not taken yet. It just got took here, so no more. So we have this one only to take a look at. Um, yeah. So let's do that. Put the 886 only. We don't need to do anything. What about to the top? Basically, let's see what do we have. Let's mark out the order block. This will be a very important order block here before breaking that high. We don't have anything in here. And this will be, this order block is not important, because if we break the 3 minute here, we can go, yeah, so the 3 minute, not even this one I'm gonna mark. Okay, so let's mark this order block, and let's see if we're gonna break that one at market open. So market open, we already dumped here. In this incident, I'm just gonna go to the 1 minute. and see if we put in an order block here. Yeah, we kind of put in this order block. So this order block is important for continuation. Let's see. Okay. Um, so we got rejected of that. It's very early in, as in, it's very early, but I'm gonna take this one up to that low because our bias is going to that low. Let's see what's gonna happen. Yeah, yeah. Basically, we took that low, stop loss to entry, and this is only for the 3 minute block rejection that is already closed into the order block. Okay. Uh, yeah, because basically we open where we open. Oh, we open right away here. So, no, no. So that would be the order block. We already break. We're coming back. So this is would be the trade. Sorry, guys. Now we go back to the 1 minute. Yeah, 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 yeah. Now we go back to the 1 minute, and we have that huge block. 30-second. Yeah, huge block. So no trade here. No, 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 no trade here, guys. No, because we just created the order block. Um, and we have no trade here. But let's continue and see what happened. Okay, so we created this order block here. Let's see if we're gonna come back to it. This one we ran through it, so we didn't even come back out of it. So no tendo, nothing, and the bias is to take that low. That low should be taken. It's basically the liquidity. Okay. This one is done. We don't need this one. Oh, so we got bounce of that order block. I deleted it very early. Let's see here. Okay. So we got this candle coming out of the order block. Let's go back to the 1 minute. Yeah, we're basically leaving this order block to come back to. Okay. So let's see. Oh, nothing here. Nothing here. Yeah, no trade in here. We're closing the order block. No, no. And we're going up. Okay, perfect. We're leaving this order block now. We're going very hot. Yeah, I don't know what to say about that because we took the shit out of here. I just want to see this order block here, right here. Let's see if we're gonna come back to it. No, yeah, we're coming back with the volume. We got out of this order block, coming back, and now we break. And now we made this order block here. We're not taking the high, so that's concern for the shorts. Let's see, what did we do here? We came up really close to that order block, closing it. No, we're still closing it. Okay, let's see now. Well, we made a block here. Are we coming back to that one? No, straight down. Coming back to it. From running it. We closing it? Yeah, we closing it. So let's see the reaction. If we, no, we're going up. Yeah. So now, basically, we have this order block. Yeah, you're still in the order block. Doesn't matter, you closed. Basically, you're going. This is very tricky, guys, because you did a lower high. So until you break this one, um, but this, according to the strategy, is where you take it basically to here. And let's see. Yeah, basically you close into the order block, so that would be a loss of 0.3. But yeah, the only thing is, according to the fib, you did on point 0.5. The only thing, the fib has to be in the order block. It's very tricky, guys. So you did this fib and then you closed in it. Yeah, you could have closed the trade and wait for another one. Yeah, close the trade and bias to the downside, remember. So let's see. That was a big order block. So nothing. Let's see if we break in this one. Hold on, you made this order block here. Yeah. So you're going down. You break in. You're coming up. And that is a short. Stop loss here. I guess you should take it to this order block here. Let's see. Yeah, we're going good direction. Stalin. We're going good direction. And we're coming back to this. No. We should come back to this order block. So let's see. Yeah, we're dumping. Yep, finally STP. Let's see if we hit the order block. No, so front ran, but right through that order block. Okay, so that couldn't make us, according to strategy. So 0.3 loss. So trade one point -3, trade two plus 54. Yeah, so according to the plan, guys, okay? Because we didn't see any follow through right away, but here, right away it went, it never came back to the entry. So right here, where was it? This order block here, it just, you enter and it came back and closed into the order block. So still went up after, so to get you out, but it was a big if you would have wait. So this one is good. We never came back basically to this order block. Um, and now we're doing SFP. Okay, let's see if we can get ourselves out of this order block. Um, okay, so now we closed 3 minutes outside. Let's go back to 1 minute. See if we have 30-second. Yeah, the 1 minute, 2 minute. Yeah, so 1 minute order block right here. We need to come back to and leave. Okay, let's delete that. This is something I introducing to my strategy. Okay, so I need to see proven evidence that we're leaving this one, and I kind of see it right here. We came back, we took the liquidity, and um, so I'll take this all the way to the low, and I'm taking this to that order block right here, just to front run that order block. So let's see what happened. Let's go back to 3 minute. We already pumping. There you go. And you have plus 47. Those are great trade if you would have stick to the strategy. Okay. So now we're gonna deal with this order block. And we have 3 minute order block here. Okay. Did we touch this one? Ah, that's what I don't like. We did touch it, but we're coming from a big SFP, so um, okay. So I don't know. I don't like that touch. This is reclosing it. If you would have take that order trade, you would have closed it in a 6 loss. Okay, so not a bad thing. Okay, but now we have a 3 minute engulfing. Let's go back to the 1 minute. Let's see if we can come back to this guy now. Okay, and that will be our entry. Okay, so Okay, let's delete that one. Let's see if we have any fib in here to come back to all the fibs. Did we touch 7-8? Yeah, we touched 7-8. So the 7-8 was touch. And then right away, did we take out this order block? No. So that's beautiful, beautiful supply. Okay. I would okay. I would take my short here. Okay. Not even engulfing, but it's I'm up on the day, so I'll take my short here, and then I'll target. Where do I target? So I supposed to target this block here because we're going out of the 3-minute order block, right? And we didn't make any high, so um, should. Okay, so let's see. Straight loss. Yeah, straight loss that one. But maybe on the NNSFB. No, no. Oh yeah. Damn. So they came out. Yeah, so they came out to take this liquidity here. Okay. And that's what they wanted with this order flow, right? To take that liquidity right here, and then they just went to that order block. Okay, so just manipulation to take liquidity. So the trade was good. The thought of the trade, everything is good. It just they wanted to take that somehow. They didn't like that high, so somehow they wanted that high because that is the high after this one. So anyways, sometimes they do that to you, but what can you do? So they still went back to that order block, not this one. Yeah, right here. So yeah, but that was touch. You got the trade out of it. um and they went right away, so it's not. Yeah, let's back up a little bit and see if we had a trade to take here. I'm interested. um so after this one, if we go to the 1 minute, 1 minute's very close. We didn't even yeah, so just let's see, did we come back to it before we dump? No, straight dump. So they didn't give us no trade in here. Okay, and this loss, I just want to say this loss was, so where did we take that? Yeah, so hold on. So we came back to that order block, right? And we lost it here. So I could have entered here, right? Um, and then I wanted this order block. Okay. They gave me, honestly, they gave me 2 to 1, but that was 12. That was minus 12. But they gave me 2 to 1 though, so I cannot complain. They did give me 2 to 1, to be honest with you. Um, I cannot complain. So maybe I should have taken TP1 to that low, and then uh, make the other one right. Where was the other one that we took, guys? This guy? No, we took that. No, yeah, we took that guy all the way to here. So we should have just take it to this low first. Okay, but that wasn't the closing the block. That was outside of the block. Okay, so it has the power to go. Yeah. Anyways, that's my interpretation to the trade. But anyways, let's see what we did here. And now we created this order block here. Now the order flow SFP here, we should go back to here, but we have that low from the 15-minute to go, so we'll see. Okay, so let's go back here. Let's see, what did we do? 1 minute order block, and that's a nice engulfing candle, to be honest. 1 minute order block, and then fib 618, I believe, or 0.5. Yeah, so no, no. Like, you realize how quick that is, right? Because that's 1 minute. As soon as we closed the 3 minute, that 1 minute came and touched that order block and blasted up. Okay, so yeah, that's very, very quick. It did not touch any level of fib, nothing. Okay, now it was touch, as you see here. So the trade should have been this guy right here to the low, because this is very nice engulfing candle too, and it went back to that order block. So where do you take that? Honestly, to here. You're just 16. Okay, I'm not sure what they're gonna give you, but let's see if they're gonna come back to it. Oh yeah, they did. Okay, so that touch wasn't enough for them. Okay, so let's take that out. Now we have the 1 minute, and then we pull the fib from here to here, and they came up to the 618. More medication. Okay, and they came back, hit the 618, and then they left the order block. So the even better entry they gave you, better, way better entry. Okay, um yeah, just something that I'm trying. um I need to train myself to be as fast as I can, because this is very fast, guys. Okay, um this is really fast. So I need to be very fast with it. And this is at 1 o'clock. Let's see where. Like they gave me already 0.6. Let's see. Let's see the 3 minutes. What 3 minute can give me? The only thing I should take from here, because this SFP for this one is supposed to rotate to the top, okay? But you remember that law? That law is supposed to take on the 15 minutes. So I'm not sure if they're gonna give me that, but I'll leave the. If we go, oh, we already hitting the lows. So let's see if we. There is no liquidity, okay? There is just this red vector to recover, and we already hit. What did we hit here? Did we hit the 7-8? No. So we hit the 618. And that we're outside that order block. Okay, so let's see. Come back to that order block. So I should have, yeah, I should have taken that. But you never know. Now they're gonna go, right? This is just the only thing is we're hitting these lows. We came hot. We're hitting these lows, so TP1 should be at these lows. And plus, on a 3 minute is we have a close in the order block. So this should be strictly scalp. Okay. And it gave you like 12, whatever. You never know what's gonna take, but probably you're just gonna take it to this block here. Yeah, you just want to hit that block or maybe front run that block a little bit right here. So yeah, you want to take a base. Anyways, TP1 attributed it. So this is Gonzo because you closed in it, right? So if we go back, how much that was a loss? That was a loss of 16. So 5. Oh, we already reached the 5 trade already here. Okay. We had a -3 plus 54 plus 47. That day should be really good, but okay. So let's continue. Let's see if we had another opportunities here. Let's go back on the 3 minute. So they came back. So they created this order block, which is where we're supposed to go. But no, so we don't have any trade because we didn't come back from it. So I'm not gonna even count that. And this is would be the last order block. And look what happened, guys. The law was taken, so the order flow stayed true. Okay, here you go. So the order flow stayed good. Why? Because we said all this leg it just to take out. So this law failed because it made an SFP, unless this was, and that confirmed it because it made a lower high and then we closed below here, right? So that low is the target. So after that low is the target, we kind of, I don't know where we go, but we come back just to make a lower high, and then we go. But we'll see. And we actually scalping in between. So at 5 o'clock, we already stopped trading. So yeah, so this one, let's see. This order block here, we closed in it. It's continuation. Now I don't have levels to see. So okay, we're going above it. So we're coming up hot. Let's see if this order block hold any true. We're coming to the downside. And now we did this. So when we did this, we go to the 1 minute. Okay. And now we have this order block on the 1 minute. Okay. And this order block, let's see if we get rejected from any of the 3 minute to stop here. Because I wasn't sure if we stop in here for like a fuel or we stop in here to reverse. Okay, so we don't need that. 618, maybe 78. 78 is all right here. So if we drop it one time, so the 78 is right here. 88. Okay, so let's see. We closed. Okay, we closed below the 78. Okay, beautiful. Now we go to the 1 minute and we see if we're closing above. Let's see what we have here. Do we have 618? Okay, we have 618. Do we have 0.5 outside? A little bit outside though. So I like the 618. Let's see. No, right through it. Okay. So no trade. No trade. We go back to 3 minute. And then we had this. What a tricky. I wish we don't have that. Because this is a short. But we already touched that order block once, okay? So they couldn't push us. This is so stupid. Let's see, did we create? No. So we closed in it. Yeah, see? And we're coming hot. Okay. Let's go back to the 1 minute and see. Can we leave this order block here? Okay, this order block we don't care about. Can we leave here? No. No. Not convincingly. Okay, now we left it. If we left here, it's very tricky, guys, okay? Because we're coming hot. We didn't take the 3 minute because 3 minute high right here, you can consider it right here or right here. We didn't take any. But on the 1 minute is where we had this leaving the order block. So I'll take a little bit short here, you know. So 14. And I'll try to take it to this order block right here. Let's see on the 3-minute what it looks, because the 3-minute we're gonna go to here, so that will be beautiful. TP2, but let's see if we can get TP1. No, straight loss. So what happened here? Straight loss on that. Ah, what a stupid. Okay, no problema. So that will be 15. Wow. 6 minus 15. Now, to be honest with you guys, like this I didn't like. So let's see here. Yeah, I didn't like that. Yeah, we had a touch first, right? So we should have continued. We should have done this instead. Okay. So we had a touch, which is nice touch. It's not a small touch. So we should have gone here. And then when we see this happen, that's it. We don't need it anymore because no demand, nothing is pushing. But we had this fucking gay. Anyways, yeah, this gay take us up. Basically, they couldn't push. They wanted more juice, so now they pushed. Go figure. Let's go back to the 1 minute and see what just happened. Yeah, so they didn't take that, which is good. Let's see if they come back to this one. No. Um, yes. So they did come back to that. What does it look on the 3-minute? Made a low. So made a low. Again, this is two hit. Okay. So on the 1 minute, uh, I'll take that short for fun, 23. Nothing is for fun in here. Take that low first, and then we go back. Well, basically, I took it here. Yeah. Yeah, I took it here. So I had this, whatever you call it. And then we got pumped. So I don't know. Let's see. Even if I took it on that, like even this one gave me something. Like according to the strategy. 13. Yeah. Let's see. No. Straight loss. Looks like it. Yeah. And then we're gonna go. No, we're gonna go. So gay, huh? This shit is so gay. So honestly, man, this shit is so gay. But okay, so according to 3 minute, if we take the 3 minute, this came back and closed into that order block. Okay, according to our rules, yeah, but why would I take it, man? The fucking thing is being like a whore, going up and down, up and down. Like fuck off. Okay, you already got the fucking dump, so you're coming back to it. Why would you? Like this one is already gone. Okay, and then you're coming back to this order block right here. Unbelievable. Okay, yeah, it's trade loss. Stupid ass. Made a low too. Yeah, it's trade loss. 0.7 loss. Anyways, so we're coming back to this guy. Now we're leaving. We're leaving with another order block. She's shit. Like it's super shit. Why do you have to make an order block in here? Just shit on it, huh? Yeah, just to shit on it. Like there's no other yeah. But you came in back in here though. That's what we missed, okay? So we're focusing on short where we have a big pump in here. We already made a low, made a high. Hanging man. This should be a long, okay? According to strategy, and that would have been paid off, right? But we're focusing on short, just like fucking. The short was dead here. Here's where the short was dead. As soon as we disrespected this order block, which is was ran through this guy, because we made a low here. So this guy being ran through. Yeah, no more short. Just coming back to make anyways. Let's see here. Of course, we're facing SFP, not yet. Okay. Okay. Let's see if we have something nice here. So we're coming back, and then we need this one to hold. Boom. Let's see what kind of fib we have. 618 is nice. Or 78, whatever. No, 78 is too far. 618. Let's see. Are we going up? No. Coming down. So no trade in here. See how easy this shit is? So order block. Okay. Coming back. Leaving order block and then waiting for continuation. Nothing happened. Okay. So we are at 420. This order block's being ran through, and we have this order block to wait for. Now, if we check the fib, we like to see 0.5. Too far. Nothing sits in it. So it's very hard. So we have to wait and see if it's going to be ran through. Did it touch? Yeah, it did touch. I don't like that first touch. First touch is gay. It did touch. Let's go back to the 1 minute. Let's see, what did we put in? We put in this order block right here. And we put in a high as the fib. We have all the fibs. We start with the A2. Let's see. Okay. No. See this shit? Beautiful. Save you a lot of bullshit. Yeah. So let's pick a color for 1 minute order block. Okay. What kind of color do we pick for it? What kind of color that we can do? This guy. This guy 3 minutes. 30 minutes, sorry. Do we use just the 30 minutes? Or use this guy right here. It's hard to see, huh? It's hard to see. We need some bright color. Some pinkish. How about this one, trade? Brighter. Yeah. Let's do that. Let's do this one. 15. Let's do 1 minute. Yeah. Okay. So we don't have this bullshit. So nothing in here. And we don't have nothing. So it looks like that this been ran through, or we wait for this guy. Let's see if we reject from this guy. What is it? Okay, this is 5 o'clock, so this is done. That's it. Uh, let me go check on my daughter, guys. One sec. All right. Okay, so basically we are not uh nothing in here. So let's go to next day. Let's delete this. Leave. Let's delete all that. And let's go to 9:30 on the 5th. So this was 4th. And this will be the 5th. I'm just writing the trades, guys, so I know for myself. So 9:30. No, 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 no. Close that. Leave. Start new. No, 5th. 9:30 on the 5th. Yeah, that's the one. Okay, so what we got here? We already took that low. Order flow to the downside. And its continuation. I don't know if we have yeah, this is the, did we take that? We didn't even SFP it. So I need to see the level. I'm just doing it blind right here. Um, 1 second. Because I have those levels here. Okay. Yeah. So we already went below pre-market. Went below all these levels. So buys to the downside, 15-minute up here. And we're about to lose the range low. So let's see what happened. Let's mark out. So we front ran that range low. We were supposed to come and take it. We already got rejected out of this one. I think it's the same. Like yeah, very similar. Okay, so 9:30, 9:27. We don't have here. This is the big order block. We need to hold. Yeah. Uh, I'm just gonna mark this order block here and see what happens. Yeah. So market open really volume. So we're not touching nothing in here. Uh, we kind of respecting that order block, but you see that touch here, man? Just before market open. I don't like this touch. Anyways, let's see if we have a trade here on the 1 minute. Uh, da, da, da. 1 minute right here. Let's see. No, we didn't come back to it. No, we're just going straight to the. Yeah, we just went straight to the thing. We didn't even come back to the 1 minute. So gotta respect it. It just had to come back in here to do some garbage. So we have this order block now. Red vector. And we're only trading to the downside. Okay, so we got something like that. Let's see if we have 1 minute to trace it. Big block. Let's look at the 30-second. I don't know what to tell you. 30-second. Uh, I'll just do the 1 minute and see. Coming back to the range low. No. Let's see if it's gonna give us anything. Coming up. Okay. We're already in the. We're close to the 30-second. We're inside the 1 minute. Are we closing outside? No. Nope. Yeah, we went up. Here you go. So 3 minute. So you're basically coming out of the. You swept. Yeah. So when you swept, you came up. You engulf. So you couldn't make a low, and you made a high with the doji. Doji. You made it with. You didn't even touch that order block. Oh, you nicked it. You nicked it. Anyways, but that was a good to watch, to be honest. Mm. Anyways, so we're coming up. We're breaking this 3 minutes. So, oh yeah, we don't have any shorts, guys. No short happening. Longs. Are we coming to this guy? No. Hmm. Watch this order block because we just created it. Are we leaving? Uh, this one I don't want. No, we're not leaving that order block. So that's order block is garbage. Okay, we made another order block in here. Are we coming back to it? No, just straight down. Okay, order block in here. Okay, whatever. Okay, whatever, man. Whatever you want. At this point, you're not making a high. You made a lower high, you break. Okay, whatever, man. Whatever make you sleep at night. We're shorting. Let's see. This garbage here. Okay, let's go back to the 1 minute. 1 minute is gonna save us out of this garbage. One minito. Six one eight maybe. Yeah, see. Uh, it would have saved us out of this garbage for sure. Definitely out of this garbage. So we're coming back to the low. We're making another order block in here. Now I'm not considering any orb. I'm not checking any orb, any bullshit like that. So I think this one was like a orb break. I don't know if I should take this because it should. Made this order block beautiful. So all the fucking short that all the move you're missing because you don't have any entry. Maybe people enter here at the break. Didn't come back to my level, anyways. Front run. Yeah, front run the garbage. Yeah. Here you go. Yeah, the moves are gone. Okay. This looks like a trade that we have. And where I'm taking this one. Because we're down, right? I have no idea where I'm taking this one. Do we have an order block in here? Jesus, looks like we're bouncing out of an order block that was unmitigated. Go figure. You leave this out, you lose. So maybe I should have taken the long. Now I'm taking the short. Go figure. But I'll take first TP at the low here. Yeah, that wouldn't work because we're dumping. But I don't know where I take it. So this one is gonna be 27 plus 27. The move is so high. So the loss would be 37 with a I don't know because I don't have the levels. No levels in here. Let me see if I have a no order block. SP we already gone through SP daily Nike nothing. So I have the 7-8 and I had SP. So wow, that would be very very I don't know. So that's it. 27 I think. Close the trade. Uh, delete that. That will trip me out, to be honest. Live trading. Uh, let's see if you have something in here. Wow. Yeah. That would have taken me all the way to the 7-8. Beautiful. Front run. And now we're going. Uh, no. So two candles into that order block. Let me see. Because it's short. Like the bias is short. I know we have this order block. But bias is short, guys. Four candle close into the order block. There's no fucking supply in here. I'm fucking telling you, there's no supply in here. They're just gonna fuck me up. No supply in here, man. No fucking supply in here. But I wanted to go all the way here back. So I'm not gonna take your bullshit to here. Come back. Okay, you're coming back. No, 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 no. We're not front running this shit. We're not front running this shit. Okay. Hmm. Here's the problem. I don't know. Maybe I should take it. I have no idea. I have no fucking idea. But according to this shit, should be taken. Stop loss. But again, like guys, we disrespected that order block, right? So yeah, see, it's a loss. But we're fucking destroying that order block, and then the thing came. So I don't care. No trading. I don't know if because I remember the price action. I cannot lie to myself, but I remember a little bit of that price action. But uh, I can do some other session, New York session, like go back testing a couple of more days. But yeah, we basically destroy that demand, and we're front running, destroying the supply. We're fronting the demand. So, and I have a rule here. It says The rule says first touch number 10, first touch of order block only. So even if I want to take this one, you already had the chance to do it here. Like you had the chance to short here, maybe take it to that, but that would be another loss. So uh, you came back again to it. Oh, yeah, don't know because this is the 3 minute high to take. If you take that, there's no point of that order block. So, but this touch here, I think that it tells me that I'm gonna fuck you up. But anyways, let's look at that 1 minute. All right, I'll do that. Uh, I love you too. Okay. Let's see. Inside, outside, inside, outside. So, did we leave any 30-second? We already touched that 30-second order block. So, I'll take a trade here. Let's see what happened. Risky trade, but we shouldn't come back above here, anyways. And I just want to take it to for running that order block. This shit trade, anyways. 3 minutes. Nah, come on. Fuck off. 35. Yeah, I should have stayed to the rules and just ignored this shit. Not ignore it, like take it in consideration. Not taking the fucking trade. Okay, whatever. So we're coming up and we're front running the everything. So let's see what happened next candle. Yeah, of course, next candle you're gonna come down. I'll watch it come down now. Uh, yeah, are we closing here? I mean, I kind of like uh, missing the long in here because this grind, we're not breaking the 1 minute. So like this grind is it's gonna take that high. So I'm kind of like missing. Waiting for this order block, like I'm kind of like missing that these order blocks to go long. Okay, close in the order block, SFB, and then okay, let's go to the 1 minute. See what we got here. So we have this 1 minute order block. Are we coming back to it? No, we're kind of just being a gay shit going up. So we're gay grinding. That's what happening. Yeah, kind of gay grinding in here. Okay, we have this order block. This order block fucked. It's got disrespected with this wick. I don't like it. Yeah, I don't like it. Oh, oh, but we did this. It's already gone. This, it's already gone. Don't look at it. Okay. Do we have a 1 minute here? No. Do we have 30 second? We do have a 30 second. I won't go lower than 30 seconds, that's for sure. Yeah, fuck off, man. This shit is annoying. That shit is annoying. So what's going on with 3 minutes? Oh, we're just coming back all the way and we're closing above. 355. Yeah, so at this, now I'm honestly, I'm just riding the wave. Um, and I'm gonna take it all the way to that high as a first TP. Okay, so yeah, because we hit that and we break it. 1 minute, we break. 3 minutes, still here. I like this wick though, so let's see. Yeah, no validation, perfect, which is the 1 minute. That's the invalidation. Let's see if we hit that high first. Are we gonna start being gay? Yeah, we did it. Again, I I don't know if I know the price action, that's why I'm trading it, or but I know that we came higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high on the 1 minute, and we never break, and we kept going, and we took that high. Obviously, we took that high. Okay, 3 minute high was smoked in here. So after it got smoked, is where I took that because yeah, and we made a low on the 3 minute, to be honest. Like we made a low here, so we took that high. So yeah, that was just a continuation trade. I don't know if I should have taken for more, but it's just continuation trade. It's 421. That's a great trade. Plus 21. Cannot complain. So this got smoked. And we took the trade because of this order block. Yeah. So we came back to see what's going on in here, right? This, after this pump right here. Yeah, we came back to see what's going on, and it's the 1 minute didn't give us anything, or it did. Maybe this one gave us this one. Did it? Then we took the trade from here. I'm not sure, but I know the 30 minutes did this. But you 30-second. But if we waited for that, maybe we would have take the trade here, right? And this is the high to take. Yeah, it would be the same thing. Okay. All right. So this is got smoked. This order block here. Just going up now. We're not trading any short unless we go to um, hmm, weird. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Oh, I don't know. We're not out of the order block. Yeah, we're not out. Now we're out, but we kind of smoked it. I'm not trading this shit. Or we're doing this. Mm. Are you down? 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 Uh, maybe 15 minutes. Why, boo boo? Okay. Okay, see? This was gay, so I didn't take it. This was so gay. Disrespected. Yeah. I think this is a nice trade to take. And I'm gonna run it all the way to this high. Yeah, I need this high out of it. No, we didn't close in it, did we? No, we just taking liquidity. Don't be gay. Don't be gay. Yeah, I would have closed it for 26. Wow. I know it's gonna pump from here. First touch only, right? Still didn't close below that wick though. That's something I should be paying attention to. If we're closing below the wick. But let's say we close that. Go back to the 1 minute. Let's see if we're coming back to this block here. So I can take that trade. Come on. No, of course it's just going now. Of course it's just gonna go now. And by the way, it hit that wick, right? I want it to that wick. No, I want it to that wick. Sorry. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, I did it. Boom. See this low, this high, 7-8. Yeah, 8-8. We didn't touch. 7-8. We went through it, but didn't even have a 1 minute to go. It's gay. So gay. Um, yeah, did we have a trade from here though? Looks like we did have a good trade from here. And to do what? Everything was mitigated here. To come back in here? I don't think so. Because all this was a low to go to that high, right? We're not breaking no structure here on the 3 minute. Yeah, right here. See? Yeah, the target is that high, right here. And I should have been more patient in here. But I'll take it on the chin, and I'll admit my bullshit. But I'll write it in my notes. Uh, don't close 3 minutes. Order block trade until the candle, bless you, my love, closes below the original wick to the trade candle, to the trade candle. Okay. Yeah, I'll stick to this rule. What can I do? It is one of the rules, but that could be costly because whatever. And the target is that high. I look. I gotta take that trade to here because I don't know if it's gonna be a lower high to go. But order flow tells me we gotta go anyway. So we still long and strong, and we mitigated. And we about to mitigate this small order block in here. This small order block could be so tricky because we SFP that bullshit right here. Yeah, so why is tricky? Because we didn't close above, we SFP it, right? but we still going up. But it just, this order block's very early, very very early. No fib, nothing. Um, maybe that the order block. Yeah, yeah, not this bullshit in here, because this makes a low. It's made a low to the high. So the trade, okay, I don't like this, I don't like this, I don't like this. And if we go to the 1 minute, it tells me that we have to come back, but that would make a lower high, right? Just ran. No, see, got sucked in, and now we're taking it. Yeah. um just gotta pay attention to this bullshit right here. See, that would be a win, so I'm not gonna count it, um because even this one, we didn't close below this wick. See, according to the plan right here, right, we didn't close to the wick. Yeah, we closed into the order block, this right here, we didn't close to the wick. So now we're facing a lower high coming back hot, so let's see. Okay, so hold on, let's back up a little bit. We close into the order block, we close above the order block. Let's go check the 1 minute. The 1 minute need to come back here. No, it just straight pump. Can it come back, please? And when it come back, it's already suck dicks. So see, I saw this bullshit here. Um, um, I remember this bullshit now. Okay, so let's go back to the 1 minute, because this is the strong low. Okay, cannot take that low. Plus, there is 1 minute block in here. Okay, see, I gotta see it. Anyways, no need, because I can get in the reaction. Let's see here. Come on, you so stupid asshole. Ah, man. Ah, that stupid asshole, man. We already front ran this, okay? And it's already 5 o'clock, so fuck off. Okay. It's 5 o'clock. I'm done, guys. So this is just a long video to tell myself that I have to wait for the trade and follow the rules, or I'm so stupid. If you like the content, like, subscribe, give me a like, give me subscribe, whatever you want to do, give me dislike. I'm learning here, trying to make it in the trading world. Bye bye for now. Melo Trades. See you next week.